Hi everyone, this is Vamshi from WindowsLoop.com. Today, let me show you how to show this PC icon or my computer icon on your desktop in Windows 11. First of all, we need to open the settings app. To do that, there are multiple ways, but the easiest way is to open the start menu, search for settings, and click the top result or click the open option. Alternatively, you can also use the Windows key plus I shortcut. Once the settings app opens, go to the Personalize tab and click on Option Themes. Next, scroll down and click on the desktop icon settings option under related settings. Here, under the desktop icon settings, select the computer checkbox and click OK. This immediately shows this PC icon on your desktop. If you ever want to hide or remove this PC icon from your desktop, open the desktop icon settings again, uncheck the computer checkbox and click OK. That's it. It's that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and visit the windowsloop.com to find more tips and tricks. Thank you.